Welcome to Nature with Aristotle, the show where we embark on thrilling adventures through the natural world, exploring its wonders and unraveling its secrets. I'm your host, Aristotle, and today we're going to soar to new heights as we delve into the fascinating world of the Andean condor. The Andean condor, a majestic bird with a wingspan of up to 10 feet, is an iconic species that roams the skies of South America. But what exactly is an Andean condor? In everyday language, it's a type of vulture that thrives in the Andes mountain range, feeding on carrion and playing a vital role in its ecosystem. This bird has been a part of the natural landscape for millions of years, with fossil records dating back to the Pleistocene era. The first scientific documentation of the Andean condor was made by the Spanish conquistador and naturalist Felipe Salcedo in the 16th century. From a scientific perspective, the Andean condor is classified as Vultur gryphus, belonging to the family Cathartidae. These birds inhabit a vast range of habitats, from sea level to 16,000 feet, including grasslands, deserts, and even human-modified landscapes like agricultural fields and urban areas. Researchers have identified key factors that contribute to their habitat selection, such as the availability of food, water, and suitable roosting sites. For example, a study published in the Journal of Raptor Research found that Andean condors in Peru prefer to roost on steep cliffs with abundant vegetation, providing them with shelter and protection from predators. Our scientific understanding of the Andean condor has evolved significantly over time, thanks to the contributions of renowned naturalists and biologists like Charles Darwin, who observed these birds during his voyage on the Beagle. More recent research has focused on their behavior, ecology, and conservation status. For instance, a study published in the journal Science found that Andean condors have a unique feather structure that allows them to fly efficiently at high altitudes where oxygen levels are low. This adaptation enables them to thrive in environments where other birds would struggle to survive. One of the most fascinating aspects of Andean condor biology is their feeding behavior. These birds are scavengers, which means they feed on carrion, but they also have a unique way of locating food. They use their exceptional eyesight to spot carcasses from great distances and then follow other condors to feeding sites. In fact, research has shown that Andean condors can spot prey from over 10 miles away, making them one of the most efficient scavengers in the animal kingdom. But what's even more remarkable is their ability to survive in a variety of ecosystems, from grasslands to deserts, and even human-modified landscapes. In terms of ecological relationships, Andean condors play a crucial role as scavengers, helping to clean up carcasses and prevent the spread of disease. They also have a complex social structure, with birds often gathering in large numbers at feeding sites or roosting trees. For example, in the Colca Canyon in Peru, hundreds of condors can be seen roosting together on steep cliffs, creating a breathtaking spectacle. However, their populations are threatened by habitat loss, poisoning, and hunting, highlighting the need for conservation efforts to protect these magnificent creatures. Andean condors interact with other species in complex ways, often forming symbiotic relationships or competing for resources. For instance, they have been known to follow pumas to feed on their kills, while also competing with eagles for food and nesting sites. In some cases, condors will even form alliances with other birds, like turkey vultures, to scavenge for food together. These interactions highlight the intricate web of relationships within ecosystems and the importance of preserving biodiversity. Habitat loss and fragmentation due to urbanization and agriculture have reduced their available habitat and made it harder for them to find food and shelter. Poisoning from ingesting lead bullets or other toxic substances has also taken a toll on condor populations. In conclusion, the Andean condor is an awe-inspiring species that reminds us of the importance of preserving biodiversity and ecological balance. Their remarkable adaptations, fascinating behaviors, and complex social structures make them a true marvel of nature. By supporting conservation efforts, reducing our impact on the environment, and promoting coexistence with wildlife, we can help protect these magnificent creatures and preserve the natural beauty of our planet. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and until next time, may your curiosity about the natural world continue to flourish.